was like, how much of this?
How was it?
Very good. And getting a water, ich bleib it's a situation that you get off a cup, off a nose, off a mole. You will not see Chaim Brown's beard in your chocolates. Nicht hand. Schmeckt. Oh. Por favor, how many years shimmer by Chaim a boxer? Chaim, do AI papitas, by the way. This is babushka. What's it? You would never hire me, looks like.
Not for this, no.
Not for this. Come on, no from Boston on us, Rogam.
Ilon ba'ame avrechecho Ilon Peisecho mesukim Ilon Oy Ilon Oy Ilon
Wow, this is a production. Yeah.
We're gonna be roasting now cashews.
My job now. No more your job. Okay. I got this from here. Go. I'm good.
Shematis mitzvahs.
Oh, you get back cook. Yui, they're delicious. This weighs it. My sui.
1, 2, 3, and there you go.
I'm not buying package anymore. No one touches these cashews.
Nobody touches the cashews. No.
Right. Yeah. I'm the only one. I'm the first one in Klein's history
that touched the cashew.
What temperature does the machine reach?
Well, that's my top secret.
The number, the degrees is auch
Speed and the degrees and the process.
No way. What's it? A chilek dry roasted?
Deze wil die dat doen.
Shafila first cousin once removed, twice removed. This is vat
oil, and this is dry. Why dry roasted is more expensive than oil? The oil roasted adds in weight. The dry roasted evaporates the...
You have to put in more into every bag?
That's correct. They actually took the seed from Israel and they cloned it and they produce now...
What happened? The AI?
It was probably AI something.
AI papitas, chevre. Check it out. Chaim, do AI papitas, by the way.
This is the processed thin, raw. Sliced esteric. This is going to be covered with chocolate. Try it.
But this is very
sweet,
bitter, no?
Very sweet.
Oh, you already did this?
Process it, yes.
You already processed it. Come on, no from Boston on us, Rogam. My first time, I think, biting esteric. Delicious. Good cake, goes. You got it zusammen. Esteric and chocolate go together. How many different fruits do you have dried? Clients.
20.
20 different fruits.
This year we had our new packaging out there.
Oh, this is beautiful.
We have more than 20 varieties of nuts and dried fruits in here.
So it's on alle shitters. Ik zie een nieuwe logo doen van Kleins. What is this? Ich ken their logo. I know this logo for many years. What does the benefit of a square container have over a round container?
So when you put a square container right next to each other, you lose space. Every space is utilized. Every inch. Versus a round container.
You have another round one? Yeah, another round one.
Spaces, and ich can kind of see when it's come out the same ounces, but look at the difference in the size. So now I come out with new items. I can condense it. Jetzt hier liegen noch Platz, noch items.
Was kocht man do? Hallo? Por favor, gitten, me kocht. Babushka. Is a babushka. What's it? What? It's a Chinese pecans.
Yes.
Chaim Shaliat. Oh. Skoop Pesach? Ik darf a Schirzel darf ich. Wie da a Schirzel wie? You have a Schirzel? No, you don't have Schirzel. Sure. Muchas gracias. Very good. Oh, wow, das schmeckt. The video gehabt noch ein bisschen das schmeckt? Jui, das schmeckt. Ich ga weer schwach doen. Ich ga weer schwach.
Chocolate cake.
Was heißt? Du rinnen tegen chocolate doen?
Ja.
Ich ga eraan. Ich ga eraan doen. Oh, ai. Oh, das schmeckt echt. Weicht sich. Noch einmal. Hallo, kinder kunnen zich gaan aangappen, dus no problem.
All these pipes here, see around all over, you'll go in the chocolate facility, through chocolate. So you're going to open up your faucet and
Unlimited chocolate. Show me right now.
it is.
Show me right now. We do unlimited Ziggy's chocolate. I schaffte mal ein Besuchen von chocolate. Serint chocolate.
Like down chocolate almonds. A wash machine. Hit er op chocolate van oil. It's a little color.
It goes in, not shiny. Do y'all shiny? Ah, this guy, I know this guy. Was gaat groen gappen doen?
Ja, denk eens weg, denk eens weg.
What? Right? I got this. Schoi. De enige taak nu, hoeveel moed dat we meten. Sorry. I don't come here tomorrow, I promise, okay? My last day here. Por favor, one? Ik heb mijn shoes op zwart.
How was it?
Leuk. En kinderen gaan water, ik blijf doen. Kinderlijk, Tati brengt daheim chocolate. Tati brengt daheim chocolate. Nee. Oeh, I get back cookie. Sorry. How we take out? No, we need
Let's see, wait.
we need magneetjes, die is nog moe. Okay. It's like vicious. Show me what did I do wrong, Shlomi. Tell me what I did wrong. Kids in. I should stick to other things, Duxton.
Probably.
You would never hire me, Duxton.
Not for this, no.
Not for this. Okay, this is a new item that's coming. Huh? Spicy chili mango. I never saw spicy mango. Why does it work?
But it works.
It works.
Okay, Chaim.
Then I got to talk to him.
The question is like this. When these is D-Dazen versus D-Dazens. Woestrachstes, deze are different troben. Welke troben is deze en welke is deze?
This is the red grapes, this is the green grapes.
Beide zijn dezelfde grape. This is treated with sulfur and so halt the color green. This is natural, no sulfur. So it becomes dark like organic.
It tastes the same, bud?
Try it.
Good old raisins, Russian kiss. Damn. A little bit different there.
This is more sweeter.
Yeah. Ah,
This is from my backyard. This is actually my
shrimp by a guy deze gegessen in the Heil, right?
Right, it's very good. It's very healthy. It's very good.
I never ever ate a boxer in my life.
It's good.
Like a box, these have got. Like a box mention. I'm about to feel like I'm shrimp by a guy right now, I promise you. Hey, it looks chocolatey inside.
Certified Lambus holds the best.
Shrimp by a guy, I feel so bad. No.
It's getting in vast.
Je ziet het nevens eerder gehad, hallo.
Mr. and Mrs. Klein were the first pioneers to bring in the whole wind from Massachusetts into Bar Park.
Yeah?
Into the
Okay, bye everyone, bye. Mucho gracias, man. Tu beige, va.
Two beige va.
Vat. Say tu. Beige.
Fish,
Vat.
but
Yeah, you know tu beige vat?
Yes.
What tu beige vat?
The new year for the tree.
Very good. Du weißt auch gut. Ist auch aus die erste class. You know what I mean, tu beige vat? And it's a new year for what? For fish?
For fish, yeah.
For fish. The new year is for matzah?
For matzo, yeah.
Matzah. Hallo, die staat torendige plaats toe. Die staat torendige plaats.
Kol ki ay shnoyt in kol ki may sko